A few little bits there. Get that ruddy thing sorted out. Noisy foxes here. Metal. That ain't. No cord. Someone said about picking the TVs up, but I've got nowhere to put them. I can't remember his name. He said he could give me a contact for the TVs. If I get a storage place, mate, you can have as many TVs as you can handle. Because I can get millions of them. Metal chairs here. Keep it somewhat closed. What are they logging? Crap, they're going to go together. This stack I'll take them. No, sod that. Got room for that crap. Few little scrappy bits. Take a few little scrappy bits. Oh, getting attacked by a branch. Well, hello and welcome to a rained off vandal vlog. And in this episode I got rained off work, so I'm going street scrapping. Good news, I've already started. You guys probably can't see anything, but in the back here we have a monitor. Leave no yoke behind. We've got a washing machine and we have an assortment of scrap and radiators, big radiators. One of them's about 7 foot long. I went out for well, I went to pick up a curry and I picked them up on the way, and everything else here was pretty much this morning, but it's raining. And just up there, I don't know if you can see a Volkswagen van just behind this Volkswagen car. Just up there, there's a blue one. Just up there, there's some cast iron downpipes. So I'm going to mosey on up there, I'm going to have a chat with these guys, and I'm going to see if I can have them. Do 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 do. And we're back. So I am back in Totton. I don't know if you guys remember, I think it was in my last video. I found an address with a skip outside it, had a ton of aluminium inside it. So I'm just going to try and find that address again. Because that was on a Saturday, today's Monday. So I'm hoping some builders might be there. And I'll give them a knock, have a little chat with them, introduce myself. Hello! I am the Vandal. I've come here to vandalise your rubbish. Anyway, I'll see if I can find it, and I'll let y'all know. And of course we're going to have a little mooch and a scoop on the way, but I am totally lost. Doors and that I saw the other day. Cannot remember which blinking road this was. It must be the next one up. Look out, Volkswagen driver. Oh, it's down here. I remember this little island bit now. Some vans there. It's empty. So there it is. See that aluminium there? There's loads of alley. Brass taps a lot. Nobody in there though. Oh, I'll have to come back again. I need bloody business cards, man. You know, it's always saying get business cards. All these things cost money. You know, business cards, leaflets, tools, fuel, road tax, licenses, coffee, porridge, tyres. Oh, I don't know. We'll get there eventually. Now, I'll skip down here. Any goodies in there for Vandal? Rude not to have a little nosy, wouldn't it? Get some rags. Oh, hello. You'll be the star of the show. Let's dump it on the right hand side there. Yeah.
Just drop the labour off. Mitchell. I should say skilled labourer if you didn't camera.
Does that mean we're skilled labourers as well? I don't think that's true. Is that it?
Yeah. Right, feed you for the day, mate.
This is Kev, it's my mini-me.
Big haul. Right, bacon and mine soon.
Got yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so I just left my buddies Kev's. We just had a catch up, cup of tea, talked about the weather and all that jazz. And he gave me a bunch of stuff to take away. Kev's a reseller, so he gets lots of electronics and stuff like that. I got that, took some stuff away for his girlfriend's mum. But while I was there, I got a message from another return customer asking me if I could pick up a washing machine. And I was like, yeah. So we're going to get a washing machine. Cool, I'll do that. Right, towards. You guys can't see it, but there's a washing machine in there. Another one. Didn't want to film it. Good job I didn't, because the guy was an absolute bellend. Then we've got two washing machines, loads of radiators, and a boiler. Right, the scrapyard's shut. Well, it's going to shut in 10 minutes for lunch. I'm not going to get there in time, so I'm going to nip home quick. I need to sort some of this stuff out, have a bit of lunch, come out, we'll get the van emptied. Should be quite a decent payday. And we'll do some mooching and scooping on the way back. That's a plan, I reckon. Yeah, we'll do that. Towards home and some food and warmth. salt in. Heavy. So what did it weigh? What did it pay? So we had short steel, which was also the cast. So short and cast are the same price. They go on the same pole, at least at this yard. And that's that I had 120 kilograms at £190 a ton. That gave me £22.80. Shearing steel, I had just under quarter of a ton of shearing steel at £180 a ton, £43.20. And light iron, I only had a couple of wash machines and a couple of other bits. 180 kilograms, £110 a ton, gave me £19.80. That was a couple of pushchairs and a couple of washing machines. But you know, I don't know if these are accurate. I mean, it's never 125 or 245 or 180. They're always within 10. So I don't know. Do they round it up or do they round it down? That's, you don't know, do you, till you weigh it yourself? But you know, it is what it is. But £85.80 is the final sum, which wasn't too bad, was it? Really? I mean, I got them radiators on the way to the Chinese. not Chinese, the Indian, and all the rest, the other little bits and pieces, and the washing machines. Pretty much just a little scooter around and that on the way back from work, or being rained off work, and a Facebook pickup for a washing machine. It's not too shabby. I'll take that. Good times. Right. Oh, I've still got some stuff in here. We've got 2 boilers in here still. I know. I've got some aluminium out of the boiler stack pipe things. There's a TV in here I need to scrap out, a couple of fans. I just need a little tidy up really, and just scrap out a couple of bits and pieces. And we're good to go. I don't know, I might have a little mooch on the way back, shall I? I need to get some food somewhere, I'm starving. I am so hungry. KFC, I've made up my mind, so we'll snake our way to KFC and see what we can find. Well, until we find something, be cool, be kind, or try and be, and I'll see you all next time. Let's get out of there. All right, let's get scrapping. Woo! Boom, love yous.